Alright, I'm not sure if the noise is getting worse in my Kawasaki or not, but I want y'all to take a listen to it and let me know what you think. I've looked up a lot of things and I'm 100% sure it's the clutch. And the way the clutch makes that sound is either by it sliding left and right on the crankshaft, because apparently there's a washer on there that gets worn out over time or something like that, or the clutch bearing is bad. So I'm hoping it's option number one, where it's just the washer's worn out, because that's not really going to hurt the four-wheeler. But if it's a bad bearing, I don't know what could happen exactly. Also, there's another chance it could be clutch bolts or something like that have come loose. If one of those falls out, apparently it'll break my oil pump. I'm not quite sure how to check that without taking the cover off the side, but I might have to do something if it gets even worse. But I don't know if it sounds worse or not to me. I mean, I think it, honestly, I think it might. Let me know what y'all think.